If you're looking for some unique artwork, go check out KALIZAR. Stunning and clean designs for your profile, custom made to your needs. Link to his profiles in the description below. Welcome to week 43 of Top 5 Steam Profiles of the Week. We got some pretty varied profiles this week, so let's check them out. So the first profile we've got for this week belongs to Mike. Mike's got a profile that has completely hand-drawn characters that they did themselves. You can even see what they've drawn on their Instagram and DeviantArt, which is located at the top of their profile in their summary. Their profile's pretty simple, but it absolutely looks amazing, featuring the main character from the game Hollow Knight. In the artwork showcase, we can see some subtle animations of the characters, such as the cape flying in the wind and then an ominous figure lurking in the background. We've also got some cute little bugs on the right hand side of the artwork, and there's some great details such as the subtle particles coming out from under the main character. Down below that in their info box, we can see they have some info about their commissions and some info about their current artwork, such as the drawings by themselves, and it was animated by Blue, which is a well-known designer in the community. Down below that in the screenshot showcase, we can see some more artwork based around Hollow Knight, with a blue-haired character wearing the Hollow Knight mask by the looks of it, with some particles and some nice effects such as the vines in the forefront blowing in the wind. This profile is extremely simple, but is extremely well done as well. Great work. The second profile for this week belongs to Hubby, and guys, be warned, this is an anime profile. I know a lot of you guys get triggered over that, but hey, that's what some people like, so we're going to show it anyway. So at the top of the profile, we can see a quote in an info box which links to a YouTube playlist of some trap songs. Down below that in the artwork showcase, we can see an anime character with a purple theme to it. We got some cherry blossom leaves in the background that don't loop all the best, so I think that could be improved, but it's still great nonetheless. Got some nice details in the hair and the ribbon of the character. They've also got the fake side panel on the left hand side featuring their name Hubby, which gives it a nice 3D effect as well. Down below that in their workshop showcase, they're still continuing on with the blue theme for their profile, with some kanji and their logo in the right hand side of their workshop showcase, with the cool little triangles to break it all up. Down below that in the items up for trade, we can see their logo in an emoticon mosaic, which fits pretty well in my opinion. And down below that again, we can see their logo for their favorite group, which is Hubby. This is all fitting with the blue theme very nicely. The Game Collector Showcase also features Gary's mod, which is one of the bluest games that you can put on your showcase, so that is a good choice of game. The Screenshot Showcase contains the same sort of theme as their artwork showcase, featuring a different character. They've got the hair swinging in the wind and the fake side panel on the left hand side, which is the same as their artwork showcase. And their workshop showcase contains their logo again, and they have their name spelled out with blue Zup achievements. I like it how you stuck with the blue theme throughout the whole profile. Great work. The next profile for this week belongs to Joris. Joris has a nice blue theme profile. At the top of their profile in the artwork showcase, we can see a character subtly animated to be breathing with a fireball in their left hand. Also on the left and right of the artwork showcase, we can see Joris designs with a nice cloud effect in the dividers as well. Down below that in their info box, they have some emoticons to line the info box to add some extra color, and the info box contains some info about themselves, their PC specs, and equipment. Scrolling down their profile further, we can see their workshop showcase still sticking with the blue theme, with another character with some more fireballs, and their text which says Joris on the right hand side. Their favorite group, item showcase, and favorite guide stick with the blue theme further. The items up for trade box has some blue emoticons at the top of it, and then some links to their social media in the info box of it. Their screenshot showcase contains another character saying cheap graphics, with the same sort of cloud effect and fireball effect at the top of their profile. Both their guide showcase and their workshop showcase fit with that blue theme.
Very nice.
The second last profile for this week belongs to Simon. Simon's been on this series quite a few times before for his unique style that he always has in his profiles. This week, Simon's got a teal themed profile with some nice use of color and lines. We can see in their artwork showcase at the top of their profile, we can see their logo, some smoke, and some particles that are spreading out in an erratic way. It's a really cool effect, and even in the background of the artwork showcase, we can see a subtle wave animation with a cool depth of field effect as well. Down below that, their favorite group is something that I'm not even going to try to bother and pronounce, but it contains their logo and their name Simon. Down below that in their info box, we can see they have some information about themselves, such as the languages they speak, their favorite music, movies, and books, and its layout gives off a nice minimalist effect. Down below that in the screenshot showcase, we can see another teal themed showcase with the text that says glimpse and those nice erratic particles again in the background. I also like the subtle smoke effect. Their badge collector showcase has a blue and teal sort of theme to it, and their workshop showcase has an owl with a star constellation inside of it, and with their logo pulsing and spinning on the left and right hand side of their workshop showcase. Your profile is definitely unique, Simon. I can't wait to see more from you. Great work. The last profile for this week belongs to crazedgoat. Crazedgoat profile is created by Lady Sinister, which is another great designer in the community. The artwork showcase depicts a lion in the clouds like a god with an energy ball in between their paws. Got some nice details such as the meteorites in the background and the stars twinkling. The color scheme is a nice golden and blue theme. The workshop showcase has sort of a gold versus blue theme with 2 deers on either side and Be the Game Changer and Welcome in the middle of it. Down below that in the screenshot showcase we can see a deer with heaps of antlers in a blue theme with some sun surrounding them down towards the bottom. There's also a cool smoke effect up the top and some nice twinkling stars in the background as well. Down below that in the badge collector showcase we can see some more grandiose blue and gold themed badges. And then scrolling down we can see their info box with some FAQs and some info about themselves. Towards the bottom of the profile though, their profile gets very messy and sort of strays away from that theme, but they do have a custom achievement featuring their name which says crazedgoat. Great work on your profile. That's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed. All the profiles featured today will be linked down below in the description for you guys to check out for yourselves. If you'd like to be featured in next week's episode of Top 5 Steam Profiles of the Week, just comment on my Steam profile. Link to that is also down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.
What the